Vlogmas day 4. Woo! Are you ready for today? Are you ready for today? We're gonna do something special, right? We're going to Venice Beach.
Please tell me why you always hating, why you hating.
And we're gonna do it in true California fashion. We're gonna ride bikes.
Yes, because they're gringos.
And they're not just any bikes. No. They are electric bikes. That's right, electric bikes. Let's go. Okay, so this is my bike. This one here is folded because it's collapsible. So this is what it looks like folded. It needs some air in the front tire, which we're gonna go pick up. We're gonna go ride to the gas station and put air in my tire, and then we're gonna head to the beach.
Oh, yeah, girl, your shit. No.
And then this is Z's bike. Also collapsible, also electronic.
Let me show you how to get Don't mind that. They're always coming off.
What is that?
Yeah. There we go. And this is how easy it is to set it up. And then set it up. One and done. Hey guys. Okay, so yes, we're going to the beach and we're taking a gift from above. So we're taking our crystals and sound bowl. Ooh, 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 ooh. What song is that from? So we'll be taking this and we'll show you how we pack all the stuff that we take for the beach.
Gonna do mine.
Same thing, but hers just has a twisty. So you gotta make sure it's secure. And it snaps. She snaps. And then hers does the same thing. But this piece goes back. And then done. Ta-da! There you have it.
Okay. All right, we out here. We getting ready to roll. Z's bike.
The trap is sprung. The trap is sprung. The trap is sprung.
So they built that big hill of sand, and I was so mesmerized by it, I fell. But I didn't fall for real. The bike fell, I jumped. Oh! Shit. The sand. I was looking at that, and I fell.
You okay?
Fell. I'm not clever. Anyways, this is so nice. Sits back there off her bike. I don't know why, but we're trying to find somewhere to lock our bikes up. But look at that.
Hey guys, we're here. That's construction on that. We black, the fuck? We gonna lock our shit up. Let's go. Now he's on his guitar. He's singing the lovely part. Yo shit be going fast. Yoshi shit. Stop, you make me laugh. Oh. Hey. I don't know how to write with my right hand. This is so weird.
I think the restaurants are opening now, right?
Yeah.
Outside eating, outside dining or whatever.
Outside eating is opening. Oh, I'm the horriblest writer.
It's not that important.
Oh, I'm gonna be very careful. I think I'm gonna just pedal. Pedal to the metal. Pedal.
You still gonna go fast.
Yeah, you will.
Oh, I'm a little cold. Hold on. I'm not getting my jacket. Hold on. Let me get my jacket.
Okay.
Just slam one down.
She a cold bird. Free that bird. Say slack, slack. She's a cold ass little bird. Yeah. Party all night, where we going, where we going? Party all night, where we going, where you going?
It's Friday night.
We ain't kicked it in a while on a Friday night.
Girl, you're probably right. Let me call baby daddy, see what he can buy.
We're home. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna edit as best I can.
We're gonna cook, take a shot o'clock, and take a shower.
Yeah, all that.
Shit, shower, shame.
My stuff in. That's why I sound like. Anyway, thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Bye.